Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to day 5 of our 30-day dancing challenge. I teach you a new combination every day leading up to the end of the year and to a beautiful choreography. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, please check them out because in a couple of days we're going to bring it all together. And today we are doing some nice simple combinations that are going to really help us to relax. So today we're starting with our upward figure 8. On this hip, we're bring the hip out to the side, bring the hip up, in and down, other side, out, up, in and down, out, up, in and down. And when you're ready, smooth it out, but try and keep it nice and slow. You want to squeeze through your core and try and keep your chest up. So try not to lean side to side as the hips come up. Nice and slow, 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 slow. Good. The next move we're doing today is a little bata step, which means duck. So if you feel like you're looking like a duck while you're doing this one, you're probably doing it right. With the feet, all we're doing is stepping out to the side and together, or hip width apart, out wider and hip width other way. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Good. So with this one, to make it a little bit more belly dancing, a little bit more duck-like, as we step out, we're pushing off that trailing leg and bringing that hip up. So you can see I'm getting those nice rolls in the stomach. My leg is straight, my heel is up off the floor, and it's a nice little accent. So let's try it. 1, 2, other way. 1, 2, change. 1, 2, change. 1, 2, change. Little faster. Good. So just small steps. Nice. So if you're finding this step easy, a new challenge for you is to add a little shimmy on top. So whenever you're doing your traveling shimmies, remember it is the leg that is on the floor that is doing the shimmy. So as we step out, we bring our weight onto this leg, and as we push off this leg, we come into the shimmy on this side. So it's shimmy, 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 shimmy. Still keeping that little up. I'll show you so you can watch my feet. This side first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, 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 up. Good. Good. Just enjoy it. Enjoy the moves. Good. And for our combination, we're starting with our figure 8s. Slow, 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 slow. One more. Slow. Then butter this way. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Let's go again, starting this hip. One more. Yeah, nice work. Awesome work, Shimmy Shaker. So that is our combination for today. Keep watching tomorrow and the day after, because on day 7, we are going to bring all these combinations together into our routine. Have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow for combination 6.